We're going to build a career transition plan from start to finish, where you're going to have an intelligence file that you can apply to any job. You understand in depth what you're made of, what makes your ethos. We think AI is a great equalizer. We think it gives everyone the opportunity to get to be anything you want to be. Start a business, become the next executive, whatever it is. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to leave with actual skills.
I was in the Army for 20 years. I was enlisted for 10 years, and I was an officer for 10 years. 0 STEM degree. The key thing that I did that I think is very repeatable by other people is I used AI to teach myself about AI to do useful things.